Let's see what you will get in the package. The KVM switch with docking station, a power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-A to USB-B cable, an HDMI 2.0 cable, a DP 1.2A cable, a user manual. Let's set it up in 5 steps. Step 1. Connect to your laptop. Make sure you use the USB-C to USB-C cable in the package and connect the laptop to the KVM switch. Use an Ethernet cable if you want the wired network connection. Step 2. Connect to your desktop computer. Make sure you use these cables offered in the package and connect your desktop to the KVM switch one by one. Step 3. Connect to the monitors. Fetch 2 HDMI cables and connect the 2 monitors to the KVM switch. Step 4. Connect your USB peripherals. You can connect all your USB devices to the docking station. Step 5. Plug it in. Lastly, plug it in. As it is powered on, press the switch button to see if everything works. It's working great. The setup is perfectly done. If you found this video helpful, you're welcome to like and subscribe to us for more updates. See you next time.